Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and we are going to open up this air layer on my lychee tree. Got it all taped up here. Don't usually use tape, but I was trying it out this time. I got to be very careful because lychee roots are some of the most delicate roots. I've already cut roots, I can tell. All right, let's see. I'm never going to use tape again. Tin foil works pretty good, but this was a plastic bag one, so I used the but I kind of just used what's around. I had tape at the time, but tape is tough to get off, and especially with a tree that has very delicate roots. So air layering is the process by which we are cloning this tree. So we've basically created roots at this point of the tree so that we can cut this branch off and we can plant it and have a whole brand new tree. But once again, these roots are super delicate, and we are breaking a lot of them, I can tell already. Not liking the looks of this. I don't know if we're gonna get this open without damaging all these roots. If we take all the roots off, then the branch cannot survive on its own. And then we just gotta leave it on the tree. But we've got really good roots in here. Oh boy. This is like surgery here. The plastic bag is all gooed up. Unveil this here. I'm gotta take my time with this. I don't want to break too many roots. We're gonna break some roots, I know that, but you can see the roots on there. That's what we're trying to sort of unravel without destroying it all. Oh boy, this was a terrible idea, this tape. Definitely going with aluminum foil going forward. But okay, we've got most of it off there. But this is just a plastic bag, some peat moss. We've had this here for about 3 months, and the roots have formed. So we're gonna cut this branch off, and we're gonna plant this in a pot, and we'll leave it in a pot over winter, and then next spring we'll plant it in the garden. See if we can cut away this part right here. That might be what we need to free us. Oh, we got some big roots down here. I don't wanna break those. Okay, oh, look at us. We're doing it. We're doing it. Don't break that. Look at that. Look at that. So now all we do is cut this off right about here. So we have a little bit of a stem to plant in the ground, in the pot. And look at this. We've got a brand new lychee tree, and this tree will flower next year. It's a mature tree already. All right. If you enjoyed that, if you learned something, hit the like button, follow. All right, see you guys, bye.